You can now serve documents via certified or first-class mail for an additional fee on green filing. Scroll to the Service Contacts section to request this mail service, along with our eServe option to send documents via email. In this section, fill out your service contact information and select your delivery speed. In the Filing Fees section of the filing, a new row titled Mail Service lists the total fees for all requested mail services from the Service Contacts section. We will only mail the documents when the filing clerk accepts your submission. Once you have submitted the filing to the court, you can view the status of your case filing by clicking Filing Status from the left menu of the dashboard. Then, click the pending or accepted filing ID to view the updated information. Scroll to the Service Contacts section to view the status of any mail service or e-service. If you only need to send documents, we also have a Serve Only option located on the left menu of your dashboard. Have more questions about mail service? We have answers. Check out our detailed help articles on support.greenfiling.com or click the live chat button located at the bottom right of your screen. Green Filing, streamline legal services at your fingertips.